Hi friends, this is Sharik. Today I am showing you to how to create a table and enforcing primary key foreign key constraints between two tables. Primary key is basically used to identify uniquely each record in the table. So now I am creating a database. Open SQL and connect it. Right click on a database, create a new database. I am creating a database sample 2. Explore the database. You see sample 2. Explore the sample 2. Now right click on a table, explore the table. There is a no table, so want to create a table, right click on it and click on a new table. This is the table designer window. So what's the column name we want? We want the column name as a ID. And the data type I want a data type of ID is an integer. And should this column allow null? No, it should not, because I want this column uniquely identify each row within this table. So does this column allow nulls? No, doesn't want to allow null, so please uncheck it. I want this column primary key, so how to do that? Right click on it, click on a set up primary key. And what the next column? Its name is, I am giving a person name. And the data type of this is going to be a varchar. And we also have to specify the character. Let's say I want 50 character. And do you want to allow null? No, every person in my table have a name, so remove that checkbox. In the next column we give a email. What its data type? Its data type is also varchar. And I does not allow its null. And the final column is gender ID, and its data type is integer. And does not allow its null. Now save this table as a table person. I am giving a name TBL person. Click on OK. Now I am generating table gender, another table, by SQL query. So right click on it, so click on a new query. In my table gender, I take a two field, ID and gender. ID data type is integer and it is primary key and not null. Now execute it. Choose your database sample 2 before executing. It's selected default master by default, so remember to change it to your database, otherwise you get an error. Now go to the sample 2 and refresh the table. See, table gender has been created. You can see its design. ID is integer, gender is a varchar. Let's enter some data in a board table. First, enter the data in a table gender. Edit, right click on it and go to edit top 200 rows. Give ID 1, gender male, and the second one is female. Give it ID 2. Okay, save it. Now edit a table person. Sorry for that. ID have an integer data type, so it's 4. Bob. Okay, now save it and close it. Now mark gender ID has a foreign key. Gender ID of a table person, column of a table person. So go to the design of a table person and mark a gender ID has a foreign key. How to do that? Right click on it, go to the relationship, this is a foreign key relationship box will be open. Select a relationship, add it. Now go to the tables and column specification. You see the ellipse, click on it. Now primary key table, select the primary key table. I have on a primary key table also a table gender. Now click a field on a table gender which have a primary key. ID have on a primary key and the foreign key is a table person and its gender ID have a foreign key. I want to give a gender ID foreign key. Click on an OK and close it and close it. Design part also. It asking you to save changes to the following items. Asking you to save changes to the following items. Click on a yes. Click on a yes. Now with the help of a join, we merge both table and showing data. Click on a new table, new query, click on a new query. Now write a select query to showing a data by joining both table with the help of join and a primary key and a foreign key. So I am writing a select query, select name, person name, email and gender from table person, join table gender on table person gender. Execute it. It's showing a gender. Now you see it's showing a person name and email from a table person and gender from a table gender. This is a query how to join the table to table with the help of a primary key and foreign key. So thank you for watching my video, guys. Goodbye.